We're exploring Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Check it out. Hey guys, I'm Kevin with Kemp Outside, your inside source for all things outside. Today we're exploring Cuyahoga Valley National Park. When I last lived in Cleveland, Ohio, this was not a national park yet, so I'm really excited to go check stuff out. Our first stop is Brandywine Falls, and we have our friends Chris and Kathy with us and their dog Harper. Let's go check it out. So Brandywine Falls was awesome, had a great time. Now we're gonna go check out Bridal Falls, but before that, we found a killer place to eat a picnic lunch. And look who I've got with me. There he is, Chris and Kathy and Barb, cutting up some cheese, and then Harper's over there. We're gonna go have a great lunch and then go check out the falls. Driving through the park, we came across an overlook at Tinker's Creek Gorge. Definitely worth the stop, check this out.
walking. Feels like we're recording. It does. It's like my little red light on.
So with its series of cascades, Bridal Falls is a must-see here at Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Let's go see what else we can find. Now we've moved to the southern part of the park where we're going to go check out the Beaver Marsh. We've been told this is one of the best places to spot wildlife in the park. Let's go check it out. Here's another lock, obviously in disrepair, but still pretty cool to see. And what you're hearing is a train, which is what replaced all this boat traffic. Hard to believe this used to be navigable, and that teams of mules would pull boats down that canal. And we found another snapping turtle. Just hiding out amongst the spatter dock. So it's great to see restorations like the Beaver Marsh, where they're working to restore the hydrology and the wetland function in a place that was affected by the Erie and Ohio Canal. Really, really neat that the park's working to create an area that's so full of wildlife. Love seeing the snapping turtles, and I'm sure there are beaver and otters and muskrats and all kinds of cool stuff in here. We got red-winged blackbirds flying around. Really, really neat place. So I highly recommend you stop here if you're going to visit Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Guys, we've had a full day. There's more to see, but unfortunately we're not going to be able to squeeze it in today. We've got to get back to the campsite that we're staying at tonight. We're at Punderson State Park in Newbury, Ohio. So if you want to see the video from Punderson State Park, check right here. I'll put a link up in the corner there where you can check that out. We're having a great time there. Looks like the rain is cleared out, so we're going to have some nice weather the rest of the time there. And then we are on to Niagara Falls afterwards. It's also great to have Chris and Kathy and Harper going camping with us. And tonight, guys, we're gonna have Chris's famous smoked salmon. So if you followed my channel, you know what that's about. If you haven't followed my channel, now is a great time to hit that subscribe button, that little bell icon that notifies you when we release new videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video of Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Guys, we exist to help moms and dads take their kids camping, hiking, fishing, learn about nature, and develop a conservation ethic. We want to help you, get you and your kids outside. So if you have any questions about Cuyahoga Valley National Park, drop something in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Or you can hit us up at our other social media. We're on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, or our website at kempoutside.com. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.